Good evening everyone and welcome back to the channel, and good evening to the viewers of Cliq. This side is Kaushik and I'm working as a legal intern in Lexis and Company. So today's topic is how to file a divorce petition and mutual divorce application. What are the process? So let's start without wasting any time. So the process to file a mutual divorce application, we have to consider certain conditions, like the need for alimony, child custody matters, maintenance of shared, whether there is a maintenance of shared properties or the properties should be attained jointly or partly, and dividing assets among the couple. Once the couple meets these conditions, they can begin filing for a mutual divorce application. So firstly, file a divorce petition. The mutual divorce process begins with filing the divorce petition. They can start by filing for the same at the court where the couple lived, and in the court jurisdiction, the court where the couple's marriage was solemnized, and the court where the wife currently resides. If the couple feels they cannot live with each other anymore and have further agreed to dissolve their marriage, can file a mutual divorce application. Then court hearing and inspection. The second step is the court hearing and inspection. With the help of the family lawyers, the couple will appear for the court hearing, and the court will go over the petition and its supporting documents before the court. It further tries for the reconciliation of the couple, and if there is a maintenance to be given by the husband to the wife, then it can be discussed in the court through the written statement that a woman is seeking a maintenance or divorce, or if domestic violence has happened, then it is provided in the under the CRPC, where domestic violence application has to be filed. Maintenance is given in under section 125 CRPC. Then statement recording. By further scrutinizing the divorce petition by the court, they will pass an order to record the parties' statements of the couple, both husband and wife. Then first motion. Once the couple statements are recorded, the court passes the first motion. Following this step, the couple has to wait for 6 months before filing for the second motion. So final hearing. The second motion is after 6 months. The second motion is the step forward for the final hearing. Once the couple files for the second motion, the couple will go ahead for the final hearing. Then divorce decree. The procedure reaches the final stage when the couple states that there are no differences in dissolving the marriage. Further, when the court is satisfied with the proceedings, they pass the divorce decree and declare that the marriage is dissolved. So the couple can file the mutual divorce petition under section 13B of Hindu Marriage Act. Couple mutually decides to file a divorce with mutual consent. Once you file a divorce, the documents first draft must be presented in front of the law. The grounds on which the divorce petition has to be filed must be based on valid